Hello friends, you watching hashtag civil engineering content. Today I'm back with another lecture series. This is our third lecture series. So in this lecture series we discussed about front elevation. So how to make front elevation. So without wasting time, so let's start the video. Okay. So friends, this is our third lecture series on AutoCAD by civil engineering content. So today's topic is front elevation, how to make front elevation. So how to make front elevation for residential building. We make a front elevation for residential building. So before starting how to make a front elevation, we have to know what is front elevation first. The front elevation is a strength on view of a house. If you were looking at it from a top of on the front yard, also called as enter elevation. The front elevation shows home features such as entry door, window, the front porch, and any item that ports from the house, such as side porches or chimneys. However, the sides wall are not visible at the unless that will be built at angle that is way from the front view. So this is the main definition for front elevation making. So you have to learn about more. You can go through Google also, but basically for 2 mark question you can also write this statement also. So let us continue with next slide. So first I share my screen. Okay friends, so now the screen is sharing. So after knowing what is front elevation, we have a question in not also in my mind, also in your mind also, why we need to make front elevation for any building plan. So no one can say this question because they also does not know about why we make a front elevation for building plan. So in this video lecture I have a statement for you. So why you need to make a building plan for front elevation makes for imaginary of front view of any building after complete, how it looks for that majorly its make, and also for better understanding of 3D model of the building. So you can, in short, front elevation equal to imaginary line plus after completion plus better understanding. So it's a major point for also civil engineering and architecture engineering. So next screen. So what procedure? So procedure for front elevation making: place the floor plan directly above the space where the elevation is to be drawn. The exterior wall to be represented by the elevation should be facing down toward the elevation. The project all the points down to the free space. Indicate the bottom of the footer and draw a horizontal line. Now measure in all vertical heights, basement ceiling heights, floor joint heights, first floor, and etc. For this reference point, remove construction lines and determine if changes are desired in the over design. Add details such as railing, window, mountain trim, window well, etc. Add dimension, note, and symbols. Click drawing and be sure to print one copy to back turn in drawing. So this is a actual procedure for making front elevation with AutoCAD. So not only AutoCAD, you can draw in engineering drawing also same procedure you can follow. So let go through the next slide, that's command slide. That I'm already told that every video lecture we have a major step for command, so it's same for every drawing, AutoCAD drawing basic commands, so like limits, units, ortho and snap and command. So I cannot waste your time for say about detail because I already told it about that. So go through the diagram. Okay, so today we make a front elevation for a residential building. So how is it? So first I use X line and inject it in the column corners. So you can see this I'm set in vertical, now I'm set in horizontal for base of the front elevation. Okay, now I'm set it and give a offset of for concrete filling and earth filling and sand filling, that basically it's 10 centimeter, and also give the height of the building, it's a 3 meter. After that I'm trim extra lines. So our trim procedure is completed. So now I'm making other thing that we have in front elevation, front view. So we have 3 rooms, so that already I make. So nothing in the front elevation we have door or window, so no needs of making front elevation door and window for this drawing. So now I am give a offset for making plinth. Actually, sorry, it's not plinth. Actually, it's a upper beam of the port portion. So it's coming only in port portion. Cantilever beam. Actually, it's not a cantilever, it's a simply supported beam actually, but when it's also a, we can also say that it's a cantilever beam, or it overhanging or a fixed beam, but actually it's a simply supported beam. Or also you can fixed beam also, you can see that you study in your mechanics, structure of mechanics, so you have to learn about that also. So now I'm trying to show the ground level, so we extend the ground level for showing, for labeling. So and now I'm showing ground level for 2 meter extend for showing ground level for your better understanding. Both sides are 2 meter extended. So now the elevation is ready, but we need now also leveling. So we make leveling and show the dimension all. Also we have in this slab building, so we need a 1 meter space for chajja, because when who are the civil engineering student or architectural student, they know about why we make sajja, so I'm not telling in this video. So in this lecture I am using 2007 AutoCAD. So this AutoCAD I am not installing the blocks on, so it's not there. It's okay. Yes, I'm not installing. Actually, it's in my episode. I'm make drawing in my desktop. So okay friends, now I'm showing the ground level. I make the symbol of ground level. Everyone knows. I hope everyone knows about the ground level symbol. How is it make? So I'm not telling. So friends, now my line symbol is ready. So trim on other portion that I have. So now leveling it round portion. That's it. The short version, short form is GL. ground level for GL that we use. So press here. So ground level is set, you can see. So now I'm leveling its dimension. So we need to show, because without dimension the drawing is not completed. So the basic changes we need, as per your requirement you have to change your sizes all. There have been so many options, but I am using architectural trick. So in same both side you have to change, not in one side, you have to change both sides. If you change just one side, it should like that, different arrows. You have to change both. One option in both sides, or also you can adjust your arrows as per your requirement. So now I do it. So and then you set as per your suitability. You can set this also. So now I'm showing the height of the building, that is 3 meter. Commonly we give the height 3 meter, or also you can give the 3.1 meter also. So but in the drawing we give 3 meter. Also adjust the arrows and symbols like that. You can see these commands. So friends, the dimension are both dimension are set as per my suitability. As like that you can also do. So in this that I am already told, in the base 3 layers are coming. There is plinth, and then sand, then concrete, and then earth filling. But in this front elevation we did not show the earth filling and plinth level. We just show the sand filling and concrete filling. Or you also cannot, if you don't want it, you can leave it just, but I'm in this drawing I'm showing. So by using hatch command, I hatch sand filling. Same way I do the concrete filling. So for this building we use in substructure concrete filling ratio 1:4:8. So hope everyone know about 1:4:8. There is a common ratio that we use when the strata is strong and we go for the shallow foundation. As per your scale you have to set the units. You can change and preview how much amount you have to fill. Thickness you can adjust by a scale command. Sorry, scale, not in scale command, scale option actually it is. So friends, you can see this in the video that I fill the sand filling and concrete filling. Now I'm leveling it. So I'm now writing sand filling in space. At the ratio 1:4:8 concrete filling that we use in this plan, because it is shallow foundation. So for shallow foundation this ratio is commonly used. For deep foundation this ratio will be changed. So friends, today we cover what is front elevation, why we need to make front elevation for building plan, procedure for front elevation, major component to make front elevation for residential building that we make. So friends, so that's all we have in this video. So I'll come back with another lecture series about AutoCAD section, how to make section. So thank you for watching #Civil Engineering content. Hope you will and learn full this video.